Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a folder where we're going to save all of our work for C++. So if you have a USB drive with you, that'd be the best thing you can do. If not, then you're going to use your computer's desktop. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click with our mouse and we're going to go down to New, and we're going to click on Folder. Okay, we're going to name this folder your name C++. Okay, now this way we'll have this as reference, and this is where we're going to save all of our files, all of our assignments, everything that I tell you to download for this class. You'll be downloaded in your source file here. Okay, next thing we're going to do, we're going to download a program called 7-zip. 7-zip is a zip file in which we're able to make large files compressed into a smaller file, so we can send it easily over the internet. We'll also be able to unzip files, which we'll talk about later. But basically, unzipping a file is when somebody compresses a file into a smaller file, you're able to make it unzip into its normal size. All right, so to download this, we're gonna go down to C++. We're gonna go to our Intro to C++ class here on the side. Then we're gonna click on a folder called C++ to download the resource. Now, the first file is called 7z467. Sorry, 7z465 exe. Download that. Okay, and down here you're gonna have once it's done, you're gonna double click it and save it. Click yes, and we're gonna save it in our folder, which is gonna be on our desktop. And then go down to here and click OK. And then we click on install. It's going to download the 7-zip file into our folder. Now the final thing we're going to do before we can actually start the lessons is we're going to download the resource files in which we have the our first assignments, as well as the Visual Basic Visual Studio C++ program in it. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to go down to our Edmodo site. Same thing like before. We're going to go down to Intro to C++. Folder is going to be C++, and then we're going to go down to Resources. We can download that. Wait a little bit for it to download. 4, 3, 2, 1. Double click that. Open that up, and then we're going to click on VC Setup, which is our program that we're going to use for the C++ class. Double click that, extract all, and then you can follow the directions right after that. So we're going to download this into our class folder for yourself. So slot.c++, open that, and click OK. It'll download it into our folder. Extract. We're set up now. No, it didn't install all the way. All it did is it extracted it, made it from the smaller file into a bigger file, so it unzipped it. So now to download the actual program, we're going to click here on VC Setup. Okay, click yes. That's going to extract the whole thing. It may take a while, so we're going to wait and just follow the directions on installation. If you have any questions, work with each other to figure it out. And after you're done, then start the lesson 1, the project 1 assignment.